Hi, I'm Nick from Excel. Let me show you why events at Excel thrive.
What really put Excel London then on the map was the Olympics in 2012. The destination was developing quite significantly. The Elizabeth line was in the plans.
The Elizabeth line for Excel has been absolutely transformational.
2.5, 3 minutes away, you've got 400 or 500 bars and restaurants.
The introduction of the Elizabeth line, I think it's just been a couple of short years, has made such a huge difference, not only to my own travel of getting here, my teams, but so many of the visitors as well. It's a big departure from the old DLR line. We absolutely love it.
Capital cities have a halo effect, adds to the credibility, the gravitas and the appeal.
Countex, it's a show run by Diversified, so they run a number of the shows across different markets.
It's purely dedicated to accountants, bookkeepers and finance professionals. We are looking to embrace the entire community, and as you can see from this show, most of them are here today.
They've had it for a few years, and in the time they've owned it, the show has sort of tripled in size. Now it's probably one of our most impressive B2B shows.
I think when you've got the biggest accounting event in the world, you've got to go with one of the biggest and best venues in the world, right? So Excel really is a premium venue, which we do really well at. It works incredibly successfully for us.
So collaboration is really important. I spend an awful lot of time out with clients, so it is really understand their business and also the relationships. Critical of what we did, what could we do better next time, but also what they want to do.
There's no one more friendly and more accommodating than Nick. He always looks after us, he's always checking in on us. We love him to bits.
What it does demonstrate is that we are constantly investing to improve our venue, and we're always going to strive to improve our offering and the experience for both organisers and exhibitors, and then obviously our visitors, which is key to every show.